Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today's quick video is on this really cute card I used with the adorable owls set that you can earn during celebration in 2023. Isn't they cute? And it opens like that. So let's get started. You're going to start with the base that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then the actual card part that flips is 4 1/8 by 9 5/8, and you want to score it at 4 1/4. I forgot to say that, but it's in there. And then a piece for your space for writing on top of here is 4 by 5 1/4. So let's go ahead and fold here on the 4 1/4. And what we're going to do is adhere it to the base. Fits perfectly and it frames it up. So I'm going to put some adhesive here. That's my design of adhesive. I'm going to put this white piece also in there. And that fits nice and snug there. On top of here, you're going to get a piece of DSP, which is 4 by 3 7/8. And that is from the Dandy Designs DSP that you can also earn during celebration. So I'm going to put some adhesive here. And fit that in there. Oh, and I forgot the strip. The strip is 1 1/4 by 4 1/4 scored at half. So there's a little tab right here. So I'm going to sneak that in right now because I did forget to do that. Sorry about that. And that just sneaks in right there. Then we're going to go ahead and get using the layering circles dies. I use the second largest of the scallops and the third of the regular circles there. And I forgot to put adhesive here. Let's try it again. There we go. Sorry about that. And then I went ahead and colored this lovely owl, and I did use the gray, the light and gray for the body, the light pumpkin, and I think that's a light flirty flamingo, and then the dark pumpkin for the beak. So I'm going to put that there on top of the scallop. Actually, I'm getting ahead of myself again. We're going to put some adhesive on here. On the back of the strip, so it'll hold right here. I think we'll do it like about right there. And then this one will have adhesive on top, and that'll hold it down. And it's your day. We'll take that there. Get that, and I think we'll just use some gray for that one, or we'll have Memento. We'll use that one. And real quick, it's your day, and you are done. What do you think? Pretty cool? Alright, so thanks for letting me share this quick video with you. I hope you like it. Subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I'll be making more video tutorials as we go. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.